Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to do comparison with less than or equal to operator. The less than or equal to operator is less than, and then it's got the equal to sign. So compares the values of two numbers and the numbers. So it basically says 4 less than or equal to 5. True, because 4 is less than 5. 7 is less than or equal to 7. True. The string turns into the integer. 7 becomes equal to 7. 5 less than or equal to true. 5 less than or equal to 5, true. 3 less than or equal to 2, false. Why? 3 is greater than 2. And so that's basically it. With this one's, again, what we're doing is we're just saying value. It's saying, is the value less than or equal to 12? So we just put in here 12. And then here we've got, is it if the value is less than or equal to 24? And so if we run the test, that passes. Now, the same is true for the last few curriculum points. If you go back down here, if you're a little confused as to how this works, check out my video on these last 4 episodes, because I'm basically saying the exact same thing over and over again. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. See you in the next lesson.